Good morning, dear students. The topic for today is construction of triangles. There are three types of triangles usually which are given in the exams. One is when you are given all three sides. The second type is when you are given two sides and one angle. And the third type of question is usually when you are given one side and two angles. So now we shall discuss all three one by one. First of all, we shall draw a triangle in which we will be given all three sides. Whenever we have to construct a triangle in which all three sides are given, we shall take the longest side as its base. In this triangle, we have PQ equals to 8.8 centimeter, PR is 9.2 centimeter, and QR is 10.4 centimeter. So whenever we are given with three sides, we shall choose the longest side as its base. This is 10.4. Here we have QR is 10.4. From here, if I start from 0, this is 10, this is 10.5. I shall take 1 point less than 10.5 and this is 10.4. This is QR and I shall take it 10.4. Now after drawing the base, we have to open our compass 9.2 centimeter from 0 till 9.2. Look, this is 9. I shall put the scale on my board or page. I shall open my compass till 9.2. Fix the needle with 0 and move the lead till 9.2. As PR is 9.2, but we don't have P in the base, so we shall take RP. From R we shall draw this arc 9.2. PR and RP are the same. We don't have P in the base, so we shall take an arc from R to P. The other arc is from Q to P. It is PQ, but we shall take from Q to P, and that will meet the first arc at P, and we shall have the point P there. This is 8.8. Fix the needle on 0 and move the lead till 8.8. PQ and QP is the same. You can see the second arc will intersect the first arc. Now we shall join the point of intersection, which is P, with Q. I shall put my pencil here at the point of intersection, fix my scale with it, go towards Q, and I shall join it. This is PQ and it is 8.8 centimeter, and this is PR. PR is 9.2 centimeters. 9.2 centimeter. Okay, now if we have to measure the size of the angle facing the longest side, the longest side is this. If we have to measure this angle, so we can change the position. We shall fix it on the point of intersection, that is P. Our line is hidden now. PQ line is no more visible. Now I shall read 0 from here. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. This angle is now here 70, 1, 2, approximately 72 or 73 degree. 73 degree. Two sides and one angle. So here I have triangle ABC. I have AB 5 centimeter, BC 9 centimeter, and angle A, BAC. Crown on A, BAC is 90 degree. From 0 till 5, this is AB 5 centimeter. A, B 5 centimeter. We shall put our protector here on A. This is A. We shall hide the vertex below it. Hide the line AB. Below this line, we shall read from this side. If we are hiding our line on this side, we shall read this 10. And if we shall be hiding from that side, then we shall read this 10, 0, 10. So this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and this is 90. I shall extend the line because I have to draw the arc of 9 centimeter. BC is 9. From B, I have to draw an arc of 9 centimeter. So here it is 0. I shall put my needle on 0, fix it on 0 and extend my pencil till 9. This is, you can see, 9 centimeter. Draw an arc which will definitely cut the line of angle 90 degree. That point of intersection of the angle and arc is C. Here at the point of intersection, I shall put my pencil with scale, and on the other side I shall go on vertex B. You can see this is BC. It is 9 centimeter. I have to measure and write down the length of AC. Now I have to measure AC. There are two ways of measuring AC. One is I can put the scale like this from 0 till this is 7.4 centimeter. The other way to measure is I put my needle here, open it till A, from C to A I check the length on the compass. Like this. This is, you can see, 7.4. Now I do another question with two sides and one angle. I have to draw triangle ABC. I have AB 9.4, AC 8.8, and ABC angle is 60 degree. I draw AB 9.4 centimeter, 9.5 this is, so 1 point before 9.4 centimeter. AB is 9.4 centimeter. AC is 8.8. So we shall put our needle on A and draw an arc of 8.8. Our AB was 9.4, AC is 8.8. Now we shall have an angle 60 degree on B. Have angle of 60 degree. I shall put my 0 on B. I shall merge this line, AB line, from this side. And I shall read, if I am hiding this line from this side. Now I shall read this side 0 on the protector, not that side. Now from this side, when I shall take 60 degree, it's here. You can see here it is 60 degree. This one. Now I shall put my pencil on B along with this small point of 60 degree angle. B with this will cut this arc, and this point is point C. The point of intersection of arc and the angle is the point C, and now we shall join the point of intersection, which is the vertex C, with A. Now we have to find the value of AC. 9.1. The third type of triangle is when we are given with two angles in one side. Triangle XYZ. The side given is XY 10.2 centimeter. Angle Y with XZ is 60 degree. Angle X along with this YZ is 45 degree, and we have to measure the length of the side XZ. This is 10, this is 10.5, 10.1, 10.2. This is XY 10.2 centimeter. We have to draw angle Y 60 and X 45. Very easy. Both the angles are here on the base. Y is 60. For Y, we have to hide XY on the left side, and we have to study this 0 till 60 degree. It's here. You can join it with this also. Like this, I shall extend the line. Now I shall hide this line. You can see, you cannot see XY below this black line. This black line will be on this line of XY. Now we shall have 45 degree. We shall study from here. This is 0, 10, 20, not these numbers, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. We need 45. This is here 45, or we can have from here 45. I join this 0, this X with these 2 points which are showing 45 degree, and the point of intersection is Z. We have to measure the length of XZ. From here we can measure, from scale we can measure, and also from compass we can measure. This is 9 point, I guess 2 or 3. The length depends on your good scale, sharp pencil. It is 9.3 and accurate drawing. So finally we have learned 3 types of triangles. The first type is when you have all 3 sides. When you have all 3 sides, you should draw the longest side on the bottom, right? When you have 2 sides and 1 angle, try to draw that side which is longest and also check either that angle is on that side. For example, if you are drawing AB here and you have to draw angle C, so it's instead of AB you should draw BC or AC the other side at base. The third type of triangle is when you are given two angles and one side. Definitely you are going to draw the given side first and then you will draw the angles.